Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses, and this is Assembly from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Assembly, the meeting of the craft during the operative period in the Middle Ages, were called assemblies, which appear to have been tantamount to the modern lodges, and they are constantly spoken of in the old constitutions. The word assembly was also often used in these documents to indicate a large meeting of the whole craft, which was equivalent to the modern Grand Lodge and which was held annually. The York Manuscript No. 1, about the year 1600, says that Edwin procured of ye king, his father, a charter and commission to hold every year an assembly wheresoever they would within ye realm of England. And this statement, whether true or false, is repeated in all the old records. Preston says, speaking of that medieval period, that a sufficient number of Masons met together within a certain district, with the consent of the sheriff or chief magistrate of the place, were empowered at this time to make Masons, etc. To this assembly every Mason was bound when summoned to appear. Thus, in the Harleian manuscript, circa 1660, it is ordained that every Mason and fellow craft come to the assembly, if it be within 5 miles about him, if he have any warning. The term General Assembly, to indicate the annual meeting, is said to have been first used at the meeting held on December 27, 1663, as quoted by Preston in the old constitutions, printed in 1722 by Roberts, and which claims to be taken from a manuscript of the 18th century. The term used is yearly assembly. Anderson speaks of an old constitution, which used the word general, but his quotations are not always verbally accurate. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.